Since these adapters all seem to be made by the same manufacturers regardless of vendor, I purchased this particular assortment specifically to color match a few of my micro USB charging cables. The adapters received were almost exactly as shown in the product photo. The only exception was no gold in my package. 3 silver adapters were included instead. As I was interested in the pink, magenta shades, this was unimportant to me. The adapters all fit and work, effectively converting micro USB to Type-C. I've not noticed any marked difference in charging efficacy. Although not clear from the product description photo, each and every adapter is fitted with a short chain allowing one to conveniently hang it from a keychain, or looped, secured around a micro USB cable so that it's handy for use. The chain is also removable with pliers. Appears to be a good value. I've only just received them, so time and repeated usage will reveal actual durability. Thanks for reading. CC, Amazon Prime Member Reviewer. Hard to lose, cheap to buy. Saved me from tossing my favorite old cords and seems to charge just the same with my lightning cables that I didn't want to part with. For less than $1 a piece they're a steal. The nifty double hook chain can be removed, but I prefer to use it to keep track since they are small. The slim profile fits in my smaller phone case charge port opening just perfect. Color coding is useful as well. I even keep one on my keychain in the event I have to borrow an older charge cable. I have a large collection of micro USB cables accumulated over the years, but although I need them for the older devices, they're not useful for the new phones. These adapters fill that little short-term need, allowing me to be cheap for now and continue to use the old cables when that's convenient, and carry just one cable for multiple devices when desired. They work quite well. Each adapter comes with its little clip and chain, fits neatly on the micro USB tip, and works as expected for USB-C charging. Since it does make the cable tip rather long, it's important to be careful about avoiding stress on that tip, to avoid the risk of breaking it and/or damaging the device charge port. I have several headphones that still need my older charger, but my new phone needs a USB-C charger. I love these little adapters because I can keep all of my old chargers that work for my headphones, but then use these adapters to be able to also charge my cell phone, Samsung Galaxy S10, with them. I looked for ones that had the chain like these specifically. That's so helpful to keep the adapter connected to the wire so it's there when you need it and doesn't get lost. I now have these on all of my old chargers. Click link in description for more reviews.